A wave of contention has been rocking the Maroon community of Accompong in St. Elizabeth following news that the community is printing and trading its own currency. Some of the community members are calling it a scam, and the Bank of Jamaica has responded. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
This is the treaty the Accompong Maroon signed with the British government in 1738. It gave the Maroons control over the land they now inhabit. The language of the treaty does not speak specifically to Accompong St. Elizabeth as a sovereign state. However, the Maroons have referenced the treaty as a sign of their sovereignty for decades. That's why the colonel of the Accompong Maroons, Ferron Williams, says the Maroons should have their own currency. But that idea has been met with mixed reactions.
This is scam, big time scam.
The Accompong persons believe it's scam.
Me personally believe. I'm not talking to the community because a whole heap of them in here because they can come and give them $1,000, them think them get money. But me know what money is. Me work for money. Me know what money is. Some can fool them or tell them what you want to tell them. But I know that what is going on here, it's illegal. And the colonel is in it up to him neck.
So we being sovereign in our Accompong, we are indigenous people. So being indigenous, that means that we're supposed to have everything for ourselves, right? We're not supposed to depend on Jamaica government for anything at all. We own money, we own hospital, we own bank, we own army, everything. That's the meaning of sovereignty. And you go way beyond that too, you understand? So when some person say we can have our loan or we can have our own money, they might have crap.
I look a souvenir business, but I no money if you spend.
The Accompong Maroons told our news team that this building is the Central Solar Reserve Bank of Accompong. That's where the Lumi currency is supposed to be regulated and printed. However, the Bank of Jamaica has distanced itself from the Maroon institution, posting this advisory in the Gleaner newspaper. It states that only the Bank of Jamaica has the authority to issue currency notes and coins in the island, and any currency which is not issued by the BOJ is not legal tender in the island. Colonel Williams told our news team that while he supports a Maroon currency, he does not approve of how the currency is being distributed in Accompong. In the meantime, the Accompong Maroons are directing their frustration at the investor who is printing and distributing the Lumi notes without the permission of the colonel.
He's too bright and too enough, and for me, I feel that he should get evicted.
The community is against it except the little few who don't know what money is. And many of them come from outside, them grow up out there and come claim Maroon as being a part of the community. One day Maroon.
The investor, who is also being called the Accompong Minister of Finance, has not been seen in the community for weeks, and efforts by our news team to speak with the individual have been unsuccessful. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.